Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks for dropping in. We appreciate your time and we certainly hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next pre-owned vehicle. Today we're looking at a beautiful pre-owned 2016 Nissan Maxima Platinum in coolest red. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and it has just 9,600 miles and it's still under factory warranty. This vehicle is definitely gorgeous and is priced to move. As we look inside, we see that it has a dual moonroof assembly and a cashmere leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats and second row seating with plenty of room for 3 passengers. Now, looking up front, we see that it has a Bose Premium Audio System that features SiriusXM radio and Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Now, we're going to continue on with the rest of the electronics and convenience items. Those features include push-button start along with remote start, and it has steering wheel mounted audio controls and GPS navigation along with backup camera featuring the around view monitor, plus it has blind spot monitoring and so much more. Give us a call today at 615-224-8314 and we'll be glad to set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, where we make car buying easy and affordable. And don't forget, we are the home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.